Guys, 2023 Hyundai Kona N Type N, right there. 2.0 turbo, really nice car. Only got 2,000 miles on it, guys. So what we done on it, there was I guess a resonator leaking. We took it out and put a straight pipe in its place, 3-inch. It's got a high flow cat up there somewhere, or the manifold cat somewhere up there. Then so we did 3-inch right there. And then he had his own kit put on, and it's a 3-inch kit by AFE Power. AFE Power. There'll be a link in the description if we can find it for you guys. 3-inch system all the way back right there, as you guys can see. And it is a valve system, so there's the valve right there. And there's the muffler right there. And then it's got 5-inch black tips out the back on each side. It's came out really nice. Cool little system right there, bolt on. So here it is. And it is a Type N, so it's turbo, which is even better. He says it's really nice, really quick too. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and 2023 Hyundai Kona Type N Turbo 2.0 hatchback. Not bad. I like that. That sounds really clean. Yeah, tell him to. Hold on, bro. He's gonna show you how to open the valves. Oh, wow, right away, big difference. That's with the valve open, guys. Much better. I'm glad you said something. Here's sound decibels, again. There's that pop. I was waiting for that. Again. 108. Hell yeah. Go ahead and back it up. Kona N. Look at that sexy beast. That is a good looking car. I like it. Yeah, that crackle, baby. There we go. Even those wheels are stock, right? They look good on it. Yeah, I love it. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside.
Is with the valves closed? Valves open.
Hyundai Kona N. He's gonna make it pop for us, guys. Let's see. Have that valve wide open. Yes! I love the pop. I wish there was so much traffic. You can still hear it. Yeah.